Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how to install RAM stick onto your PC, alright? I took this out of my PC, you can see. Alright, first thing you wanna do, some of your PCs might just have hatches, mine I gotta screw it off. So go ahead, screw it off. Alright. Just one more thing. If you're doing this, do not do it on carpet, okay? It will ruin your RAM, okay? The camera right here. Careful. Alright. Everything is sensitive. Alright. Let's push your team back over here. I want to be careful while you do this. Okay? I'm going to put it this side, alright? Where you see the sticker, like this. Okay. You want to do, you see this? Right here. Pull it back. Like that. Now you want to grab it. You want to aim it like this from the sticker. And then, look, let me get you a good view of what I'm trying to say. Alright, see? That's what you do. You want to put it like this. You want to put it in the slot that's right here. Just a reminder. You see this? It has to go, that's the hole right there. Alright? Sorry, my camera does not have zoom in. Alright, now you put it into the slot. Make sure it's in the right slot. To do it, you want to put a little bit force, okay? Until you hear a click. Don't put too much because you will break the motherboard, okay? Just put a little bit of force, alright? You want to make sure it's lined up. Then just push it down, but not too much force. Like that. There. Now it's installed. That easy. That's all you have to do to install RAM. So yeah, that's it. That easy. All you really want to do, grab your glass panel, put it back on here, boot it up, it'll work just fine. Alright, that's it. Bye.